Nowadays, people talking about likely US recession, but 14 years ago, it was US financial crisis. 12 years back, it was high inflation or high interest rates. 11 years back, it was US downgrade. 10 years back, Fed tapering. 9 years back, two deficits, rupee depreciation. 8 years back, poor monsoon. 7 years back, Brexit. 6 years back, demonstration. 5 years ago, GST. 4 years ago, high NPA, PNB scam, various defaults. 2 years ago, COVID deadly second wave. 1 year ago, Ukraine war. And currently, again US recession and interest rates. So, tomorrow may be another issue. So, don't bother, keep investing. Faith, patience, and discipline are the secrets of investing. Myself, Mrinmoy Chakraborty, an investment and insurance consultant. If you derive some value out of my video, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it to the other people so that they can be benefited. If you want to discuss something or if you want to invest, then you can feel free to contact me anytime at the following details. Thank you.